As consumer habits continue to shift to more online purchasing, it's more important than ever to have an online store platform that's tuned to apparel decoration and personalization. InkSoft is the industry's premier platform for online stores and web to print. I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up an InkSoft store. I'm going to start on the InkSoft dashboard. I'm going to select Stores, Create New, and this will initiate the store creation wizard. The wizard will direct me through a step-by-step process for configuring my store. I'll start out by naming the store in the store directory. I'll determine if the store is public or private. I'll enter the contact information for the store administrator. I'll upload my store logo and any kind of store icon. I'll choose if I want to add an online designer to the store. I'll determine if the store is print on demand or if there is an expected production date. Print on demand means the store will be stocking inventory or the product will be produced as the orders come in. An expected production date is a store with a time-definite deadline that will end after all the orders accumulate. I'll add my shipping methods. I'll decide if there's a store pickup location, and then I'll set up all the customer payment information. I'll require approval on all orders before going into production. If I need custom checkout fields, I'll go ahead and enter them here. I'll set an email address for the daily order summary report. I'll decide if I'd like to link my social media links, and I'll set up any store policies. If I need to enter a custom domain, I'll do it here. Otherwise, I'll use my InkSoft domain. The basics of the store are now set up. Now it's time to customize. The next step would be uploading the artwork, so I'm going to go into Store Administration. I'm going to select Store Art. I'm going to click on the Upload Art button, and then I'm going to select Upload Files. I can upload in popular vector formats such as SVG and PDF, as well as popular bitmap formats such as PNG, JPEG, and TIFF, and I can also upload embroidery files in the DST format. After I've uploaded vector artwork, I can edit the colors in the graphics. I can create colorways for different colored materials, for instance, light or dark garments. To create a new colorway, I'll select Manage Colorways. I'll say Create New Colorway. I'll select the color I'd like to change, apply that color, and select Done. Then I'll save the colorway. I can also create colorways from DST embroidery files. If I select a new color, I can choose from industry standard thread color charts and select a new thread color. Next, we're going to add the products that we're going to sell in the store. So from Store Admin, I'm going to select Store Products. If I've already created a product that's pre-decorated, I can select Add Existing. If I want to create a new product, I'm going to click on Create New. I'm going to use the Rapid Product Creator to create the products for my store. InkSoft includes catalogs from the industry's top suppliers, including high-resolution photography, as well as pricing. The Rapid Product Creator allows me to create a curated catalog using the products I frequently use for my vendors. The first product I'm going to select is a navy twill cap. So I'm going to click on the cap. I'm going to select the color for navy. To apply the graphic, I'm going to simply click on the graphic. If I need to adjust the print region, I'm going to click on the editing function. I'm just going to click on the button for Create Product. Next, I'm going to select the product details, including the pricing. I'll enter the pricing here, and then I'll click on Finish. To create another product, click on Create New. Next, I'm going to add a Gildan 2000 t-shirt in both ash and navy. This is where I'm going to use colorways. So I'm going to select the navy shirt, and then I'm going to use the colorway for darks. For the ash shirt, I'm going to use the colorway for lights. I'll click on Product Details to add my pricing, and then click Finish. Lastly, I'm going to select a white tumbler from Leads. I'm going to type in tumbler in the search. I'm going to select the product. I'm going to add a color, white, deselect black, and then select the graphic. In this case, I'm going to select the colorways for lights. Create product, add pricing, and I'm done. The final part of the setup process is customizing the appearance of the store and adding components. So I'm going to select the Style Editor to begin the customization process. I'm starting out with a blank store, so I'll need to add some visual components. So I'm going to click on the button. I'm going to add a banner layout. I'm going to upload a photo for the banner. Then I'm going to add the colors that I'd like to use in the banner. When I'm done setting up the layout, I'm going to click on Save and Publish. Next, I'll add a fundraising component. I'm going to click on the plus button again. I'm going to click on Fundraiser, and then I'm going to set up my fundraiser. So here's all the options right here. Here's for my goal setting. So I want to set up a units goal of 200 units. Here's a description of my fundraiser. Here's the end date for my fundraiser. And then I'm going to customize the colors. Again, I'll click on Save and Publish to update the changes. To reorder components, I can use the up and down arrows, or I can also utilize drag and drop. The last step in the store building process is adding my products. So I have a block right here. I have 3 product placeholders. I'm going to click on Manage Products. I'm going to click on the plus button to add all 3 products. I can use drag and drop to reorder the products. Then I'm going to click on Done to add the products. Click on Save and Publish to complete your store. To view your store, click on Storefront. As you can see, building InkSoft stores is simple and quick. Most importantly, InkSoft stores are specific to decorated apparel and personalized products. Let me give you a few examples. We created a fundraising program with revenue share tracking. When we added products to our store, we selected those from industry standard catalogs. All the product photography came in, the pricing came in. I simply selected the products, created colorways, chose the colors I wanted to show in my store, and the software dynamically created the virtual samples. Unlike non-industry platforms, in InkSoft, I don't have to upload product photography for each different color combination I'm offering. I can efficiently manage the artwork of my stores. I can even recolor the vector artwork as well as DST embroidery files. If you'd like to find out more about InkSoft online stores and web-to-print capabilities, please reach out to your InkSoft client advisor.